afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Graduation Day is always a day of rejoicing, for it marks the conclusion of an educational journey and the commencement of another more uncertain and more difficult part of man's quest for a better life and future. Truly, today signifies the culmination of many years of hard work and determination of every learners and their parents. Knowledge that will enable a person to embrace opportunities and take on challenges with clear vision and purpose. Friends, parents, completers, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Labnoy Elementary School first virtual moving up ceremonies this school year 2020-2021 with the theme Kalidad ng Edukasyon lalong patatagin sa gitna ng pandemya.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang magiliw, ay masasilanganan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y bubay. Lupang binirang, kuya ka ng magiting, sa mandulupin, di ka pasisigil, sa nagatang tunog sa simoy at sa langit ng bagaw, ay hinagang tula, kawit sa pagkayang minamahal, ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nagkikinig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may magkikinig, lumanang araw ng warhabit pagsika, buhay langit sa piling mo, ang inigaya
Pangasinan niya binabli, daan mo taniya ligwas, diuragod ko lawas. Nagpuso Pangasinan, agkanalingwanan, luyak ko yan iyanagan, pedagdakan yaman. Ang panaligwas mo na tayanang nila, kasi palurin mapula. Sa'y pagkakasakli na tayo nalilig na, labot ka na mabrisika. Sa'y dayag mundak na'y natuktan sa yaman, sagdan na kapalan ngayon. Naroon ang tansamting mo Pangasinan, oriental lawas Bantayan. Lawas takan itang duro Pangasinan, arwen takan bayukuan. Panangap ko pumya wala na bangunan, ikikinon ko syubangan. Pangasinan, luyang pinanyaman.
Vast dim and rolling plains give light to the sturdy ends. Men, women, young and old find hope and glory in this fold. This home of great joy and gladness, of fertile lands and green valleys, nature that captures the eye and soul, oh, bled the heart of doubt and peace. East to west, from north to south, faithful ones pack and gather at the pilgrim of the North, whispering a common prayer resounding. Mabuhay, mabuhay, Pangasinan to I sing, mabuhay to you. Of men, women, young and old, find hope and glory in this fold. Oh, I sing mabuhay, Pangasinan too.
Masantos sa kapusan at sa katayo namin. Una, itarko pa respeto tanggalang at sa may makuli-kuli pamahanggana ya District Supervisor Doktora Marcelina A. Laroco, tanmot at sa may matartaraki ang guwapo the principal to at Barangay Elementary School at Labnoy, Mr. Bernie Laino Aquino. Say very supportive. Yama na bali tayo sa nasinto. Ay matartaraki mo at ang gwapo ya apuli-kuli. Ya mayor tayo. Mayor Leo F. De Vera, dan say dati ama, na si Karaso may kadwa ya ama at balito sa nasinto, say pulos, ya presiding officer, Honorable Vice Mayor Robert O. De Vera, Kuntanmat at Saray Barangay Council, kay Papangulo na say untamoy matartaraki, dan very supportive mat at amin yung activities dyan iskwilaan tayo, nan sa barangay tayo. Honorable Barangay Captain Victor C. De Vera, kan saray kakaibara barangay Labnoy, aray kaunsilda. Kan sararamay ni kadwaya ama tag ina nasari anak tayo, aray Labnoy Teaching Force, ya si Karaso naalagay, ya pinagkaateng nasaray ang anak tayo no wadyara at iskilaan. Arami kakiibak, ya PTE official, untak, watamot, so sarili da, ya Peter damot, so pitutulong, ng turaman, so kailangan yagawon dyan sa iniskilaan. Terko pa, so masantos yakamposan at sikatay namin. Dan welcome kayo at Sayan Agaw, welcome kayo dyan at Barangay Labnoy, welcome kayo dyan at Barangay Labnoy Elementary School. Saray 58 ya graduates at Sayang Kapusan, 26 boys and 32 girls. Happy graduation at si kayo namin. Ipakanti pa sa sarili tayo. Sa inibagak at kasiksikanan nyo ang anak ayaman su Pilimiro ya lakbay ya konda. Ayaman su Pilimiro ya subok at panaral nyo. No nasabi ulamat, so secondary, aman sumikat do ay akonda. San no nasabi o sumikat lo, aman su kolehiyo. Kanyan, anak, sinibagat at si kayo, ituloy yung kumon, itan so panaaral yo. Tatan so aral, at tawir yag binayos, yag nabayos, tan tawir yag nabalang. Sikatutan so sakaya panangaro na sari kaparak atatang yung papaaral ang saray ang anak na. Kung tayo ang anak sa atang at tulabay ya mapariwara so ang anak kanyan ang anusan tayo, ang anusan mi kayo yan anak ke panaralan. Kaan tami so irap yara na san mi at pambilay mi at nanugaw kami ang gadsnatan kanyan anak ko kumon say panaral at aliwan luluroy kan say aral atan sumangiter at si kayo na maong yung pambilay na anin o sa sumpal kayo yung aral sa sumpal kayo yung kolehiyo. Kapag dyan untan at amay kanunutan nyo ya labay yun na ani at nagampanan nyo kan sa importante at kasiksikanan nyo ay asusakaya ni bagat mensahik at say si kayo Walyan tinitan so karawan, karuan, taubugaw tini. Sa inunutan tayo, sa panaral tayo, tapian makatulong timot, at saray ang atatang nyo, ya, mampapaaral at kasiksikanan nyo. Ayala Sunibagat, Jat Ngaran na PTE, at sayan iskilaan, ipapangulo na sayan materialing koryo, ang sa pamilya, Peter ko pala. So happy graduation at kasiksikanan nyo namin. Mabuhay Barangay Labnoy, mabuhay Barangay Elementary School at sayan Barangay Labnoy. Salamat dan masantos namot yakabosan at sikaya namin.
Madam, I have the honor to present to you the 26 male and 32 female of grade 6 completers of Labnoy Elementary School for the school year 2020-2021 who satisfactorily completed the requirement under the K-12 curriculum in the new normal education awaits your conferment and acceptance.
A pleasant day to all. By the authority vested in me by the school's division superintendent, Dr. Danilo C. Sison, and through the recommendation of your school principal, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements for elementary education, I, Marcelina A. Laroco, Public Schools District Supervisor of San Jacinto District, accept and confirm you graduates batch 2021. Again, congratulations to all.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the DepEd Secretary Leonor Magtoles Briones, through the Regional Director Dr. Tolentino G. Aquino, and in my capacity as the Schools Division Superintendent of SDO Pangasinan II, acting upon the strong recommendations of your school head and teachers, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for graduation prescribed by the DepEd on elementary or secondary education, I now accept and confirm you graduates of your respective schools for the school year 2020-2021. On the day of our Lord, July 2021, thereby granting you the right to enjoy all the privileges attached to it. Congratulations. The proud parents and guardians, partners, stakeholders, school officials, teachers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to everyone. Situated in this new normal atmosphere, we don't have the usual and traditional way of culminating the school year, recognizing the outstanding graduates and celebrating the success of our children who are graduating today. Having hurdled the strenuous requirements of graduation. Despite the hardship, sacrifices, and stressful situation that we are in, brought about by this pandemic, our teachers, parents, and stakeholders work hard collaboratively to ensure the continuity of learning among our school children using all the available media to facilitate its acquisition. The SDO Pangasinan II wish to congratulate our proud graduates batch 2021. Our warmest greetings to our school managers, teachers, staff, parents, and guardians who have helped and guided our graduates attain this momentous event in their lives. Graduation is a testimony to the enduring and resilient spirit of the Filipinos for their ability to stand up, to bounce back, and to conquer the odds, just like the ongoing hardship and challenging brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. Through our innate optimism to see the light and the end of every challenges in life. For so many times, we have proven that we can surmount any adversity by sharing a hand with each other in times of darkness and trials. The many challenging moments we have endured tempted us sometimes to give up, but our hearts refuses to be broken by deep distress. We don't lose our hope because of the strong faith we share with each other, even in the most trying time of circumstances. We may be battered, but definitely never defeated. Having undergone a lot of honing and guidance through the patient, loving and caring tutelage of your teachers, you graduates are now ready to face the new chapter of your educational journey. Life challenges may not be easy, but you have learned at home and in the school that success never comes easy the way we wish it, but rather through hard work and perseverance, inspired by our Divine Almighty, which serves as our guiding light. To the graduates, again, my congratulations. We wish you all the best in your journey towards reaching your dreams and aspirations. God bless and mabuhay.
presenting the grade 6 completers with their proud parents.
Our Motherly District Supervisor, Dr. Marcelina A. Larroco, our very supportive Municipal Mayor, Honorable Leo F. De Vera, Vice Mayor Robert O. De Vera, the Labnoy Barangay Council headed by Barangay Captain Victor C. De Vera, the hardworking principal of Labnoy Elementary School, Sir Bernie Laino Aquino, the PTA officials headed by ex-Kagawad Domingo Pascua, Labnoy teachers, parents, my co-completers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to everyone. We stand firmly and strive harder, for we believe that we are one step closer to our dreams. And now, as I stand here in front of you, I represent every student's smiles and pain, that after 6 years, we are able to savor the rewards and victories of our patience and perseverance. With the theme, Kalidad ng Edukasyon, lalong patatagin sa gitna ng pandemya, talks about our ability to become versatile with exploring new ways of learning. Despite the crisis that we are facing, siguro halos lahat tayo dito medyo nahihirapan sa modular learning. Aminin natin, pati mga magulang natin nahirapan din. Kahit gustong-gusto na nating mag face-to-face, syempre unahin nating isipin ang ating kalusugan. But of course, of all these hindrances, education must go on and life must go on. Young as I am today, I can say that I fell down many times, but I always stand up. I make it a habit that every time I face challenges, it leads me to a stronger and better person. The medals I received today are the fruits of my labors, and I know I could not be this best if not because of my parents. Mama, Papa, salamat sa pagmamahal, suporta at sakripisyo. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. I believe that one day we will reach our dreams. To Labnoy Teaching Force headed by our principal, Sir Bernie L. Aquino, thank you very much. Sa aking mga guro, mula kinder hanggang grade 6, thank you for your dedication and patience. Despite this pandemic, you become more flexible in handling modular learning. It was completely different, not going to school, but thank you, Ma'am, Sir. I learned a lot of things from you, which I will value as I continue soaring for my dreams. To my fellow completers and friends, as I bid farewell to you as we find the right track that lies ahead, let me thank you for all the laughters and pain we shared together. I will forever cherish those memories. Once again, good afternoon and may God bless us all.
Isang mapayapa at masayang araw po sa ating lahat. Sa lahat ng ating completers sa taong ito, congratulations, my dear children. Congratulations din po sa mga magulang at takapag-alaga ng mga batang ito. Alam po namin na nandyan kayo para tumulong, umalalay, at gumabay sa mga bata para matapos nila ang kanilang pag-aaral. Ang Labnoy Elementary School po ay masayang-masaya dahil matagumpay po nating natapos ang school year 2020-2021. So, congratulations po. Gusto ko ring pasalamatan ang taong nasa likod ng matagumpay na virtual ceremony na ito. Siya ang ating napakagaling na ICT sa ating school, si Sir Claudio Arsadon Jr. Sir Boyet, salamat. Muli po, from Labnoy Elementary School, sa pamumuno po ng ating masipag na Principal 2, Sir Bernie Laino Aquino. Nandyan din po ang class advisor ng ating mga completers, Madam Amalia Tulusa. Sa amin pong mga puso, maraming salamat po. At muli, congratulations!
We would like to thank everyone who joined us today to celebrate this memorable event. Dear completers, it is clearly seen your outstanding achievements and its well-deserved pride. As you leave your alma mater, kindly embody the ideals that we implanted and possess the visions of holding the light of future and show the world your individuality with gratification. Once again, congratulations!